Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Today I am here to do an unboxing of the August 2021 Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. I am first going to show you what comes in the bonus box that you receive with your first month subscription and then after every 6 months. So when that comes, you get this bigger box, and in your bonus box, you get the other supplies that you need to make the recipes each month. It is over a $40 value, and it just gives you everything you need to make the recipes. You do get this beeswax, you get a hard coconut oil, you get a liquid almond oil, and a liquid coconut oil. Those are very important, especially when you're making things that are going to go on your skin, because you do need a carrier oil. You also receive 6 of these 5 milliliter diffuser blend bottles and 6 of these 10 milliliter roller bottles. Every month, one of the recipes is a diffuser blend and one of the recipes is a roller blend. So those are very important. Now, let's see what is in our August monthly essential oil recipe box. I have to dig here a second to get the recipe cards and the stickers that we'll talk about. So first of all, there's always a note from the recipe formulator and aromatherapist kind of introducing the theme. So this month's box is Peace and Quiet recipe box, or like a stress reliever recipe box. I'm very excited about this. There's also a card that tells you a little bit about the 4 oils you get. The first is the Peace and Quiet blend, which is used to calm and relax. Next is the Lavender 4042, which also is great for calming and supports immunity. Peppermint is wonderful for soothing and cooling. And then Sage is also great for uplifting. So these are full-size 15 milliliter oils that you get in this box. And then there's always the extras to make the recipes. So we have some purple Brazilian clay. We have a lava rock with a hole in the center and some string. That's for one of our recipes. And some citric acid. So let's take a look also at our sticker sheet. When I first started getting these boxes, you had to cut these apart. So it's awesome that they're pre-cut. The first thing I like to do after I've taken my oils out is to go ahead and label my bottles. That's so when I start using them, I make sure to match up the correct lid with the bottle. So here I'm just labeling my 4 oils that came in my box with the lid sticker that they came with. This looks like a really nice blend. It smells really, really good. I'm excited to use it. Also, you have labels for the recipes. So like I said, there's always a roll-on recipe and there's always a diffuser blend recipe. So you're always going to use one of each of those bottles that came in your bonus box. So here, let's go ahead and label our bottle for our self-care diffuser blend that we're going to make today, and also the lid sticker. And then we'll label our roll-on bottle for our quiet moments roll-on that we're going to make as well. I love Simply Earth essential oils. They are 100% pure, and of all the oils that I've tried, their prices are by far the most affordable, and I also really love their customer service. So let's look at the 6 recipes that are in our box this month. The Lava Rock Shower Diffuser, we're going to make that today. Toilet Cleaning Bombs. This looks really easy to make. I just don't have time to make it on camera, but I'm sure those are going to be awesome. Fizzy Purple Bath Scoop. You can add this to your bath. Some purple striped bath salts. And then, like I mentioned before, the Quiet Moment Roll-On and the Self-Care Diffuser Blend. I always at least make the roll-on and the diffuser blend. These are really the recipes that I use on a regular basis. They're just convenient to have. So let's get set up first of all for our self-care diffuser blend. You can look at the card and it gives you how many drops if you're just going to put them right into your diffuser. But if you want to go ahead and blend these oils together and have it on hand, you're going to want a total of about 100 drops for these little bottles. So to make the blend, we're going to use 28 drops of the Peace and Quiet blend. Then we're going to add 14 drops of our Peppermint Essential Oil. Then 15 drops of our Sage Essential Oil. And then we're also going to add 43 drops of our lavender. And that is going to make a wonderful diffuser blend that you can just put a few drops in your diffuser when you need a little self-care time. Then you'll just go ahead and put the little plug in the top, and this just allows one drop to come out at a time, and you are ready to go whenever you need to uplift your mood. Next, we're going to go ahead and put together the Quiet Moment roll-on. We're going to use, like I said, that 10 milliliter roll-on bottle, and it says to apply this to your pulse points to ease your mind, kind of along the same idea of the diffuser blend. So for this, we're just going to put in 3 drops of our Peace and Quiet, 2 drops of lavender, and 1 drop of our Peppermint Essential Oil. And then we'll take our Fractionated Coconut Oil, that'll be our carrier oil. This is what makes these diluted enough to be safe to use on your skin. So I just fill that roller bottle up to where the rounded part starts to narrow, mix it up, put a little of that oil from your finger on the roller ball, stick that in, and you are ready to go. These are great and convenient to give as gifts or to carry around in your bag. Lastly, we're just quickly going to put together this Lava Rock shower diffuser. Basically, all we're going to do, it says, is to take the Lava Rock that they've included in the box, along with this string, which looks kind of like paracord, which is good because this is supposed to hang in your shower, hang it over your shower head. So it says each time you take a shower to go ahead and add 2 to 5 drops of lavender, and then you'll have the calming effects of the lavender as you are taking your shower. And you can always swap out the oils that you use. I would also like to mention that 13% of the sales every month goes towards an organization that is making a difference in the lives of human trafficking victims. So that is amazing. And then next month, it looks like our oils for September will be Sweet Dreams Blend, Coffee, Cinnamon, and Blood Orange. Sounds like we're going to be moving into some fall scents. So I'm very excited about that. Please make sure to check the description box for my discount code for ordering a monthly subscription box. And please let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Simply Earth essential oils. I would love to answer them for you. Take care.